Geocell, as an efficient slope protection and soil reinforcement material, is being applied here for road reinforcement. Through precise measurement, the laying area and anchor points of the geocell are determined. The anchor rods firmly fix the geocell to the ground, preventing Depending on the project requirements, soil, gravel, or other materials are filled to enhance the structural stability. Through compaction, the filling material bonds closely with the geocell, forming a solid and stable structure.